Welcome to the Arabic Reading and Writing Foundation course. My name is Ahmed, and I will be guiding you step by step to help you read and write in Arabic with confidence, even if you're starting from scratch. In this course, you will learn first the Arabic alphabet, how to pronounce and write each letter, and then how can we connect letters together to form words. The concept of vowels, how can we pronounce letters and words. We will be practicing all of this by applying what we learned through quizzes and exercises along the way. I learned in Al Azhar University and also got my pharmacy bachelor degree from there, from Al Azhar University. Teaching Arabic for 7 years for non Arabic speakers, different types of Arabic also, modern standard Arabic, Quranic Arabic, or even the Egyptian dialect. Also teaching Tajweed skills and Islamic studies. And working with different people from all over the world makes me tailor the lessons to go with different styles. When I created this course first time, because I truly believe that anyone can learn Arabic if it's explained in the right way. And I know how overwhelming Arabic might seem at first, but I will walk you through it step by step. So let's make this journey both fun and effective. In this short lecture, I will guide you on how to get the most out of this course. This course is designed for absolute beginners, so you don't need any previous knowledge. Here is how to learn effectively. Watch each video carefully, pause and replay if something isn't clear. Take notes, especially when I explain rules or examples. Practice daily. Spend at least 15 to 20 minutes every day and use the downloads. You will find the worksheets and practice sheets in many lessons. Do the exercises. Quizzes and reading tasks will help you remember what you have learned. And remember that writing by hand is a huge part of learning how to write in Arabic. So always keep a notebook and pen ready. First, let me tell you a few cool facts about the Arabic alphabet. We have 28 letters, and in English you write from left to right. However, in Arabic, we write from right to left. And most letters change shape depending on their position in the word. Just to understand this point, so for example, this letter here, which is called B. This letter, this is how it looks when it comes in the first position of the word, and this is how it looks when it comes at the end of the word. Arabic doesn't have capital and small letters like English. That's it. That was a big difference between Arabic and English. Now, let's go to the Arabic alphabet.